In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply structure template in Divi Builder. To get started, open Divi Builder and head to your home page. Once you're inside the builder, take a moment to find the section where you want to apply a structure template. This is important because the template will affect the layout of that specific section, so you want to be sure you're working in the right place before making any changes. When you found the correct section, click directly on it to select it. This tells Divi exactly where you want the structure template to be applied. If you have several sections on the page that look similar, it's a good idea to pause and confirm you've selected the right one before moving on. Next, look over to the right-hand side of the screen. This is where you'll find the settings and options related to the selected section. In that panel, click on Elements. This area gives you access to the content and layout controls connected to the section you're editing. After that, click on Apply Structure Template. Once you open it, Divi will show you different structure options that you can use for the selected section. These templates help you quickly change the layout without needing to build everything manually, which can save a lot of time and keep your page design consistent. You'll now see a few available choices. One option is Grid Multi-Row. This layout is useful when you want your content arranged in a clean grid across multiple rows. Another option is Grid Masonry, which creates a more dynamic layout where items can appear in different heights while still fitting together visually. You'll also see Grid Sidebar, which is a good choice if you want a layout that includes a sidebar element alongside your main content. At this stage, simply click the structure template you want to apply. As soon as you select it, Divi will apply that template to the section you chose earlier. This makes it easy to test different layouts and decide which one works best for the design and content on your page. If you're not sure which option to choose, start with the one that best matches the kind of content you're displaying. A standard grid works well for organized layouts, masonry is great for a more visual style, and a sidebar layout can help when you want to separate supporting content from the main area. And that's it. That's how to apply a structure template in Divi Builder quickly and easily.